Okay, good morning folks. It is Saturday the 3rd of July 2010. I'm just going to do a quick run through of this Euro Japanese yen for the week ahead. Um, Looking at this pair at the moment, we've um, we've got 9 count buy set up in place here on the daily and on the weekly. Um, So expecting that we could possibly see a bounce, and based on what we're seeing on the Euro US dollar and probably US dollar yen as well. I mean, I know it's still been dropping, but we do have a 9 count in place, so we could well see a quick bounce on that pair. So expecting really to see a bounce on this Euro Japanese yen. First kind of hurdle that we have here is the TDST resistance at the 113.39 there. As far as my sort of trading is concerned, though, I won't have anything doing here for a wee while. Basically, we didn't quite get down to that second target level, um, but basically, if going by my sort of trading here, we really need to break this upper back resistance at 119.46 before I would start to look to get involved in this pair, which could be the first sign that we're seeing a turn in this market after a long drop. So we could well see a turn in this market at some point, but for me it's still a long way off giving me any kind of signals. The only kind of thing I might look at here is a good failure of TDST resistance levels. Um, I'd be looking more at this one up here though, the 118.71, which is the one I've been following for a while here. I think this TD count is not really a qualifying count. 8 or 9 weren't the lows of the sequence there. It's not really very stretched. There wasn't a great deal of price action going on in that count. Um, so yeah, as I was saying, I said in the Euro Pound video there, we did a run through on my whole kind of way that I trade and everything, and it was good for me actually going through that again, just giving me a wee refresher, just to sort of show me that not to get too rushed into things. If I don't make a trade for a couple of weeks, that's fine. Because if I wait for the correct time, then that's when I make my best trades. So it was good to do that, and I think looking at this pair, it's the same situation here. There's no need to rush. We could break this back resistance on the daily in like a month's time, and then take another week or two to get in it. But by then, you could get in a really low risk, high reward trade, and make 10-20% on that. And if I can make 4 or 5 of them per year, then I'm quite happy with that. So I'm not really too fussed at the moment, but it looks like I won't be doing anything on this Euro Yen for a while. And like I said in the Euro Pound video, there's several different pairs at the moment that are all setting up. So we've got enough options there to keep us going. So yeah, so this video will probably be the same for the next few weeks, I would imagine. Okay, cheers guys.